Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can get the unlimited coins in Tumile app absolutely for free working in 2023. In this video tutorial I will teach you how you can install Tumile mod. It's working for iOS device and Android device, and this is proof. As you can see, I've already hatched a huge amount of unlimited coins in Tumile app absolutely for free, and this tutorial I will teach you how you can get it. Okay, let's start. How you do it? This process is very simple. You must install the Tumile mod. To get download, you must open this website, select your platform and enter my email address. Now press button download and we wait for finish installing this app. Now the Tumile mod is installing and we wait. Yeah, as you can see, the app is already installed. All you have to do, you must open this mod. Yeah, this is this mod. We open it and now we enter the unlimited coins as we want. In our case, this is the unlimited, and generate process. Now we wait to finish this process. This process is adding the unlimited coins to my account. And yeah, that's it. This is the finish. Now we open our balance and check our coins, and as you can see, I've already get the unlimited coins in my Tumile app. Thank you for watching and